going on, guys? It's Mr. Bridget here, aka Alan. I got a little different video today. I've had a lot of these, but as you can tell that I'm sitting at my computer, and you can probably kind of see what's on the screen. I don't know if you can or not, but I'll get to it here in a minute. Ignore the steering wheel and stuff. I play iRacing a lot, and I was just too lazy to take it all off. But there has been some big news. Not really big news, but it's kind of news. And I figured I've never done like a news thing for the Volkswagens, Audis, or whatever. So I figured let's give it a shot. As a lot of you know, if you own a Volkswagen or Audi, you know who Integrated Engineering is. I have their cold air intake on my car, their turbo inlet pipe. As of right now, probably gonna downpipe sooner or later, but that's not the video today. It's a very different video. Like I said, it's like a news related thing. They have just came out, it came out August 17th, so that was like last week, and I was going to make a video then and I forgot about it. I just got off work, so if I look a little, that's why. And it's 1:40 in the morning. I work second shift, so. But they have just released it. I.e. like, I guess, I don't know if it'd be like a partnership with Garrett, and everybody knows who Garrett is. Garrett Turbos, obviously. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll try to somehow put a picture of it somewhere around here. Hopefully it's there. But they're, I'm just going to try to read it off. I'll just read it off to you. How about that? I is finally excited to announce that we have been working on a big power. So it's basically just like a big turbo kit, essentially. I mean, big turbo kit, but I guess for both. Yep, big turbo kit. They are, I guess, partnering with Garrett with the PowerMax turbo system. It's a direct fit along with like the IS38s and some of the EQT turbos, I think. Yeah. But they're basically getting together with tuning and stuff for it. It seems pretty awesome. This does fit the GLIs, the GTIs, anything with the Gen 3 2.0 MQB. So a lot of the Volkswagen Audis, it fits. This is like, I don't know, to me it's, I'm not like full into it, but like I think it's big because it's kind of, this is the first like, I guess, big turbo in a sense that I know of. Like I said, that I know of. I'm sure there's others, but as of me knowing, this is what I know is like the big turbo. I didn't go IS38, which is what I thought about going on mine, which I probably might still. I don't know. I'm gonna see a little more research when this stuff comes out. This is available now. So, but Integrated Engineering hasn't released a tuning for it yet. So if you are with IE, can't tune for it yet. But if you're like me, you usually have to place your clutch, so you can't buy a bigger turbo anyways. But that's besides the point. Eventually. As of right now, what I'm seeing, it's going for about $1,349.99 before tax, of course, on New German Performance. Just a link that I found to one of them. They are quoting that the direct fit stage 1 can handle up to 485 wheel horsepower. More power, baby. It's like according to this, it's 17%. It is 17% more of a compressor flow compared to the IS38, which is the stock turbo in a Golf R. That's why everybody does IS38s on these cars. The compressor inducer is a 47 millimeter. Exducer is a 60 millimeter. The turbine inducer is a 50 millimeter, and the extruder is 45 millimeter. And on fitment and applications, 2019 plus Volkswagen GLIs. And you got your Audis, the Mark 7 Golf Rs, the GTIs, the Alltracks, the Sport Wagons. But of course, that is with tuning. I would imagine is what they're quoting it at. This is quoting a stage 1 tune is on the dyno is well, that's weird. Okay, here it's a dyno sheet. Wait, do they have a dyno in well? Okay, yeah. Power on flywheel, torque on flywheel. So the stage 1's a 419 foot-pounds, and the stage 1 is 484. Which is weird because it says 485 there. I might be blind. But on these stock Gen 3 blocks, you can't really go over 400 torque unless you're trying to ride out the side of the block. play at your own risk. But yeah, stage one torque. Since stage one is torque's 419, you might be all right. But they always all the dyno sheets that I've seen, the torque curve is just kind of very subtle because you can't go over 400 torque. Horsepower wise, I saw on the forum it was 5 something horsepower to the wheels. It was a dyno sheet. Yes, can it be altered and make it say different things? Yes. So take it for what it is. But it's pretty if you ask me. I can't say that. I'm gonna delete that out. Yeah. So looks pretty sweet if I do say so myself. Yeah, new turbo. But I know the MQT and stuff like that have a lot of their big turbo kits as well, so that is another option. This is just another option that's being brought out to us, so it's pretty cool to see that the MQB is still getting some love. As of what I think it was just MQB, not MQB, EQT, and there's another company I can't think of that offers stuff right now too, bigger brands. But for Garrett to come in is kind of dope because I don't know what turbos the other ones are. I don't see. I'm all over the place. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm going to put this link in the description. So if any of my Mark 7 GLIs or anybody with the Gen 3 that's watching this is interested in it, I will link this down below. It's not sponsored or anything. I saw it, thought it'd be a cool video. So, is there anything else I can say? It's a Mar M Alley turbine wheel and twin scroll stainless steel turbine housing, rated up to 1050 degrees Celsius. So shouldn't have any issues there. Not really seeing any more information on it. Where did the IE thing go at? Back to IE, they said turbos and a full line of matching ECU calibrations will be available from IE soon. So I would assume probably here in the next month or two we'll start seeing more from IE come out for them. So that's really all I got. It was just a cool little video. I thought I'd make news update thing. So I did order something for the GLI, but it's not gonna be here till the end of September 27th. So it'll be here about is it September 27th? Oh. So I should get next week or something. So I'll be making a video from that. It's really cheap, kind of DIY thing, something that should have came on the car from factory, but it didn't. So we're gonna fix that. So that's really about it, guys. So if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you like these little news update things, they're not too boring and just bland, let me know in the comments, and I'll do more of them. But like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and we will see you in the next one. Later.